big trouble that LP's into this morning. A leaky pond liner, right, LP?
Yes, it is. This thing's so fragile. I don't see how it held any water at all. Of course, it's been in there quite a few years. I don't know exactly how long.
So
I pumped the water out of here up into this tank. So then, whenever I get the new liner in, I can open that valve up and let some of that water come back in.
totally awesome.
But if I don't have enough air, I got a 425 gallon tank out here and a 500 gallon tank that I catch rainwater in. So I should have enough water. This is 5 feet wide and 9 feet long. And it's about right around 2.5, 3 feet deep. I have to fix underneath of that. I got a concrete lintel going across there, and I'm going to have to put some concrete block underneath of there, and that needed attention, big time attention. You can see it's cracking there, it's breaking loose, so now's a good time to fix it all.
Yeah, I'm just hoping that the little frogs won't die.
Well,
That's in here somewhere.
it's as simple as this.
I know, it's got to be done.
It's got to be done. If it wasn't done, it's going to die anyhow.
Right. Yeah, because the water was just running right out.
Now look at my beautiful flowers. And we should have had a picture of them flowers before it started all this construction.
Yeah. But things happen.
Yep. I say it's a little different than that.
Yeah. Yep, there they are. And they don't last long, our daffodils.
Right.
Yep, we need a new statue over there. The poor little guy's got a broken leg. And his leg is laying down below him. And this one here, they were so cute when we bought them, but they're looking pretty sick now, old and sick. Dear Lord, help LP. Wow, he has got this huge task ahead of him. And he wants me out of his hair. He told me to get lost.
Yeah.
He said I would just be nuisance value out here. So I went back to the kitchen. Here's all the rocks, the stone that he got out of the pond area. And there's the beautiful moss that was growing on the spillway. And the waterfall area. So now he's going to put a concrete frame up and try to save the shell of the waterfall because it caved. Part of it caved. He just goes from one job to a bigger job to a bigger job to a mammoth job. I consider this a mammoth job. The rubber has to be replaced. Is that Stubby? Hmm? Are you Stubby? Stubby always chirps to me. He's like, where? Robert was taking a bath. He did that, and man, he took off. He's like, what? Okay, I'm going in, do my kitchen duties.
Okay.
I'm going to be out of your hair for a few moments.
Oh, there's a tie on there with a brick, and it don't seem like that screw is. Oh, there's a tie in it. Must be brick.
That alters things, right?
I just have to use a.
Concrete screws.
Yeah. I'll have to look over there and see what the hell's over there. That's enough.
All right then.